Logic technology offers two types of magnification. Number one, read zoom. Number two is the right zoom. To activate read zoom, turn the zoom toggle on the upper right-hand portion of the trackball area. This is available in live or recalled images. To activate right zoom, deactivate crossbeam and then press down the zoom toggle on the right-hand portion of the trackball area. With right zoom, the ultrasound line density and sampling frequency increases, giving better resolution. This is only available in live imaging. Logic View provides a panoramic view as the user maneuvers the long axis of the probe along the surface of the skin. This is a purchasable option. To activate Logic View, select the hard key that is located directly above the F10 key on the keyboard. You will see Logic View is activated when the button pushed turns green and the trackball mode keys display a start and end. Align your probe to the desired start place and hit the start key to the left of the trackball. Slide the long axis of the probe along the surface of the skin. The image will begin to extend out past the original angle width. To stop, press the trackball key to the right. Grayscale and tint maps are available for Logic customers and are located on the first page of the B-Mode touchscreen. Gray maps range from smooth imaging to images that display more contrast depending on what the user desires. Tint maps often help to enhance border definition of anatomy of interest. There are a variety of colors ranging from a subtle to a brighter hue. The ability to image in quad, dual, and single is a feature of the Logic system. These keys are located above the freeze key. To activate dual screen, push the left or right dual screen button. To activate simultaneous dual, push the left and right buttons at the same time. This is used to display color, no color, for example, on the same anatomy. And to activate quad screen, push and hold either the left or right dual screen button until the image provides quad display. Toggle between quads using the left and right dual keys. Displaying the guide zone. Activate the biopsy kit by selecting it from the B-Mode touchscreen on the second page. The available biopsy options appear when biopsy kit is selected. There are fixed and adjustable angle kits and plastic, disposable, and reusable biopsy guides available depending on the probe. Select the desired biopsy kit. The biopsy guide zone represents the path of the needle. The dots that make up the guide zone is the depth readout, where the yellow represents 1 centimeter increments and the red represents 5 centimeter increments. The display should be carefully monitored during a biopsy for any needle deviation from the center line or guide zone. The biopsy guide zone adjusts along with the image adjustments such as inversion, rotation, zoom, depth. Logic systems offer many post-processing capabilities. Once the image has been frozen and perhaps even stored, the look of that image can still be adjusted. Gain, zoom, dynamic range, color maps, remeasure, and text are just a couple of the raw data functionalities of the system. Images may even be recalled from weeks or years before and post-processed for enhanced imaging. The clipboard displays thumbnail images of the acquired data for the current exam. Images from other exams are not displayed on the current patient's clipboard. The active image is stored and placed on the clipboard when you press the print key. The clipboard contains preview images with enough resolution to clearly indicate the content of the image. Cine clips are indicated by a movie clip icon. The clipboard fills from left to right, starting in the left-hand corner. Once the top row is full, the second row starts to fill. Once both rows are full, the next image stored starts to fill in a third row, and the first row disappears from the clipboard display. Select the exam which includes images to review. Select Active Images on the touchscreen to view all images in that exam. Page forward with your pointer on the image screen, selecting the left or right arrows to navigate through the image pages. Multiple images can be selected for review. For dual image review, simply select two images from the image screen, then select the Review button. Dual screen image will be displayed for review. Up to 4 images can be reviewed in a quad screen display by selecting 4 images and pressing the Review from the active image display. Note: multi-screen image review is not available with volume datasets. Image history displays the images of each exam in chronological order of that patient. Select the patient, then select Image History. Select the appropriate button which shows the old exam by date and storage location. Then move the cursor to the desired image for review. Select Review. The selected image, a maximum of 4 images, can be displayed at one time. When selecting an image off the image clipboard to make changes, make the appropriate changes using the raw data functionality of the system. To replace the previous image, hold the Shift key down and select the Print key to replace the old image with the new one with corrections. After completion of the patient exam, select the End Exam to either end the study completely, or you can select Permanent Store function, which will force the images to the DICOM destination and leave the study open for any additional imaging if necessary. When finished, End Current Patient will archive all current images and provide the next patient information page. Search and select the patient and press Review, or double-click on the patient. The patient exam screen will display. Select the exam which has the images and press Send To on the bottom right of the screen. The Send To dialog box displays. Select the destination device on the right-hand side and press OK. Multiple devices are able to be configured. The successful or unsuccessful message is displayed at the bottom of the screen. To monitor or control DICOM jobs, press the F4 key. You can view, resend, redirect, and delete images from the DICOM spooler by selecting a job, then specifying the actions to be performed on this job. If you find failed jobs in the spooler, please remove the failed jobs from the spooler by selecting and deleting. The status the spooler will display can be Hold, Pending, Append, Active, Success, Failed, or Done. Place the cursor on the clipboard image you want to delete, then press the left or right trackball key to select that image. You can use the delete icon to delete an image from the clipboard. A comment box will appear with a yes or no option. Select yes to delete. Once the image is deleted, there is no way to recover it. From the patient information page, find the exam you wish to lock. If the patient hard drive display or patient view is not displayed, select the Hide button on the right-hand side of the image screen. Your list of patients and exams will display. Select the patient exam you wish to lock, then select the Lock button on the lower right-hand side of the image screen. A lock icon will display next to the patient name. If the patient's exam is locked, indicated by the lock icon, select the Unlock button on the lower right-hand side of the patient information screen. This will unlock the patient exam. This is the only way the patient exam can be properly deleted. Thanks for visiting the Logic Club video tutorials. Please come back soon for more tips on how to use your Logic system.